Hey guys, this is Audley with Audley's Tech, and today we have the new Google Fitbit Air. I've heard of cool things about this. It's supposed to be similar to that product Whoop, the fitness tracker. Personally, I'm a big Apple Watch user. Been using it since 2020, and I've enjoyed it. So I want to see how this fares against that. This is the Stephen Curry edition, which I'm really excited about. I'm a massive fan of him. So yeah, Google Fitbit Air. Actually, I haven't owned many Fitbits. I had one just before my Apple Watch, the Versa original. So this is gonna be very different to that. And they just put out of here. Ooh, that's nice. I have this little accent over here. It's really cool, but this color is incredible. This is part of the special edition, but let's really take this out. And we have a little quote. Hell yeah. Okay, and this is the actual product itself. This looks really interesting. Is a way to describe it. There's a little wax wrap over here. Take it off, and there, that's the actual sensor. I think you can just take it out. This feels very similar to the older Fitbits, the Fitbit Flex, where it was just this little sensor you would put in a wristband. I think Whoop actually has more accessories right now, but I don't know, I think very soon, either through third party or from Google itself, there will be quite a few accessories for this. Let me put it on, try it on. Oops. Okay. Put that on the wrong way. Okay, that's interesting, but yeah. It's honestly nice. It's discreet. You don't really notice it's there. And yeah, it's really nice, actually. Yeah, actually no complaints from me here. It is a solid band. It's very similar to the Apple Sport Loop. Yeah, it's really good. I like the Velcro. It's also really discreet, small, thin. I'm going to be wearing this for the next week or so, along with my Apple Watch, to see which one is a better fitness tracker. I'm excited. Let's see what else is in the box. Shouldn't be much. Yeah, so we don't get little packets of papers anymore. We just get QR codes. Those days are done. Oh, I also just noticed this. A little signature over here. It's exciting. And the charger, which should be magnetic. The thing is, these unboxings, I always kind of know what's gonna come in the box. Just because I have to be prepared. I don't think you want a video where I'm spending most of the time struggling to figure out how to open it. Anyway, let's see. It's magnetic. You snap it on. And that's solid. Wait, so what's this button for then? I guess we'll find out. Anyway, this was the Google Fitbit Air Steph Curry edition. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.